Outspoken ZANU-PF Politburo member Chinga Dube has cautioned Zimbabweans to be wary of those advising President Edi Mnangagwa to cling to power, describing them as self-serving individuals who prioritize their personal interest over the nation's welfare. Achipene mushe tona kuti mu Politburo muya mamoza kuti vakomana ndo vari kuadvance achiti tukamiro nyika ngatonge beyond 2028. Takuona mumwe ari kusprout achibuda achiti aiwa tyirai ngatingwarire vanhu ivavavo vanhu vane umbimbi ndoga. Sanambira mashoko abudanyugwa pana mnodobva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipina Mnangagwa mchinzi. Speaking at the burial of Liberation War hero Killian Dube at Lady Stanley Cemetery on Sunday, Chinga Dube highlighted the dangers of misguided advice to the president. Killian Dube, who played a significant role in the country's liberation struggle, passed away from hypertension at the age of 89 on August 25. Dube emphasized the importance of preserving Mnangagwa's legacy, noting his significant contributions from the liberation struggle to his current role. We don't want to tarnish the legacy which he has built through his dedicated service as a leader, said Dube. Addressing the issue of Mnangagwa's succession, Dube stated there are various opinions on the succession issue. Many party members have urged him to stay in power, but he has always said he will adhere to the constitution. While he has not expressed any intention to cling to power beyond his term, we must remember that man proposes, but God disposes. No mashoko anobuda chiadresa achiti against vakomana vari kuti aiwa you must run in a bid yekutonga beyond 2028. Zvinhu zviri kushamisa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa another Politburo member anosimuka aiwa anogena courage yekutora mashoko akadai. Kutidze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro penhau ipinda comment section medu, saka unosubscribe like and turn on the bell icon.